everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
So that's all for today. I hope you like these designs. If you like it, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates. See you in the next video.